Hey, it's Raven Tactical here. Just doing a winter maintenance on a chimney stack that we have for the wood stove. It's an important thing to do right before winter, or do it after winter, or even have to do it between winter, is to get the creosote out of your chimney stack so you prevent a chimney fire, which is fatal to your house, fatal to you. It's a hazardous thing. So the tools you're going to need for that, quite simple. You need the appropriate size chimney brush, rods, and I would say a HVAC or some sort of shop vac to suck up all the dust. Make sure the filter's on the HVAC system or your shop vac. It's also a good time to check all your seals to make sure nothing else is leaking. And while you're up here, it's a good chance to see if there's any debris on your roof or not. But it's quick, painless, and simple. It just requires taking off the rain cap, and you basically run your chimney brush down kind of like a bore brush on a firearm. So just a short, simple little winter maintenance video. Hopefully the wind's not too bad being up on the roof. So it's Raven Tactical out.